Unleashing the power of smart investing with AI. Welcome to the future of investing, where cutting-edge technology meets financial wisdom. In today's dynamic market, staying ahead requires more than just intuition, it demands the precision and insight of artificial intelligence. Graphs and charts animated. Picture this, a world where your investments are guided by the prowess of AI algorithms. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, crunch numbers at lightning speed, and identify trends that the human eye might miss. This AI brain animation. Meet your investment ally, the AI brain. It learns from historical data, adapts to market changes, and fine-tunes its strategies to optimize your returns. It's like having a financial genius at your fingertips, working tirelessly to grow your wealth. Investor checking smartphone. Imagine receiving real-time insights on your smartphone. AI doesn't sleep, and neither should your investment strategy. Instant alerts, personalized recommendations, empowering you to make informed decisions when it matters most. Diverse investment portfolios. Asterisk. AI doesn't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. It tailors investment portfolios to your goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, AI ensures your strategy aligns with your unique financial journey. Secure transactions. Security is paramount. AI not only guides your investments but also safeguards your transactions. With advanced encryption and fraud detection, your financial future is in safe hands. Success stories. Across the globe, investors are experiencing the transformative power of AI. Their success stories echo the efficiency, precision, and growth that smart investing, powered by artificial intelligence, can bring. Call to action. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your investments? Embrace the future of finance with AI-guided decision-making. Join the ranks of those who have turned the page to a new era in investing.